Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Perplexity AI on desktop, quick fix step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser on your desktop. In the address bar, type perplexity.ai and press enter. Wait for the website to load completely. Once you're on the home page, locate the search bar. Click on the search bar to activate it. Type your question or topic of interest into the search bar. Press enter or click the search icon to submit your query. Observe the results displayed on the screen. Scroll through the results to find relevant information. If you need more detailed insights, click on any of the response links. To refine your search, you can modify your query in the search bar. After making adjustments, press enter again to view updated results. For further assistance, explore the FAQs or help section on the website. Take advantage of any filters or sorting options available for better results. Review the options carefully to ensure you find the most accurate information. When you've found what you're looking for, take notes as needed. If you want to save information for later, bookmark the page. Close the browser once you are done exploring. Remember to revisit the site anytime you need quick answers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.